Hey ladies and gents, Nick here. So we just went through the video on how to create a basic line graph. So now we're going to take it a step further and say, if we're looking at this line graph for this particular employee and the hours they've worked for these last few months, how do we add in another line for another employee? So then we can do a comparison from this employee Gomez to another. Well, I'm going to show you that right now. In order to add in another line graph, or another line in this graph, you need to right click into the actual chart area. When you right click, you'll see this select data option. It's the same option we used earlier in the other video to add the months on the x-axis and to add the name to the series, which in that case was Gomez. So in this dialog box, we clicked into here and we hit edit. If you noticed, alongside edit is this add option. So this add option is what lets you add in another series, aka another line, to the line graph. So we're going to go ahead and hit the add option, and now Excel's asking us for, first off, the series name. So we're going to use my name in this case, Nick. And then after you point to where the series name is, which you can also type, right? I could also just type Nick, and that would work, but I prefer to have it pointing to where my name is in the sheet. After I add that in, then I have to supply the range of the data, right, where are the values for this particular series. So I'm just going to click and hold and highlight the hours worked under my name for each month. I'll hit OK, then I'll hit OK again, and now you can see my hours are also in here, and they're also on the legend as well, describing my name, Nick. And you can do this, again, select data, add series, as many times as you'd like, right? So let's add in Bertha's details into here. So for series name, I'm going to click on Bertha. I'm going to move down to the series value section, and then I'm going to select the hours that Bertha worked each month. I'm going to hit OK, OK one more time, and now Bertha's details are in there as well, her hours worked. So now we can compare across different employees, how many hours are they working? Is there a particular trend? Did they work more hours in March? Did they work less hours in April? You know, you can just pick out different things once you start adding in more employees to your chart. We're going to do one more. Let's add in Will. The series name points to his name, and then the series values, we're going to highlight the hours that he worked. Hit OK. Hit OK again, and now Will's details are in there. So that, ladies and gents, is how you add in more lines to your line graph, so then you can compare across different employees or different categories even. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Like always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.